power, exponential, and logarithmic function. This problem belongs to this topic. This topic. Our class today is a mathematics Olympiad. So remember, this is a challenge. This is a big problem. It's a challenge. You need to be focused and pay attention, and all the steps that I will do trying to solve this problem. There's only one problem. This problem, mathematics Olympiad problem, has two solutions. Two solutions. One solution is our problem is solve the inequality log 2 of x to the 12 power plus 3x to the 10 plus 5x to the 8 power plus 3x 6 plus 1 less than 1. Okay, less than 1 plus log 2 times x to the 4 power plus 1. This is our problem. This is our problem that we have to solve. This is a challenge. It's a very, very challenge problem. Okay, one solution. I started writing some clues to find the answer to this problem, to solve this inequality. Okay, solution 1. I remember I told you two solutions. Solution 1. Since 1 plus log 2 here times x4 plus 1 equals log 2 times 2x to the 4 power here, 4 power plus 2, and log 2y here is increasing for y belong to this point 0 comma to the infinity, right? I mean up, right? The given inequality is equivalent to the equivalent inequality is equivalent to x to the 12 plus 3 to the 10, x to the 10 plus 5x to 8 plus 3x to 6 plus 1 less than 2x to 4 plus 2. Okay, or equivalent to say this: x to the 12 plus 3 to the x10 plus 5x8 plus 3x6 minus 2x 4 minus 1 less than 0, right? Okay, rewriting the above in this by grouping, we got it that look at this. We got it this data here. Okay, be focused here. So we are gonna have x to the 12 here plus x to the 10 x10, right, minus x8, right? This is by grouping. Okay, so here plus, and the second line 2x to the 10, yeah, 10. Okay, plus 2x8 minus 2x to the 6. Okay, in the next line we are going to have plus 4x to the 8, okay, plus 4x to the 6 power minus 4 to the x to the 4 power. Okay, next line is going to be plus x to the 6 power plus x to the 4 power, right? And then the last line, it is plus x to the 4 power plus x to the second power minus 1 less than 0. Okay, like that. So, and factorization, the left hand sides gives here as it gives now when you factorize the left side, so gives let's see, x to the 8 power plus 2 to the x to the 6 power plus 4 to the x 4 power plus x to the second power plus 1, okay, times what? Times x to the 4 power plus x to the second power minus 1. less than 0. All right. From here, we have hints. X. Now here, from here, okay, x to the 4th power plus x to the 2nd power minus 1 less than 0. All right. So in other words, we are gonna have here. Look at this. It's very important. Almost done. Oh, we're gonna have here x to the 2nd power minus. This is very important. Minus 1 minus square root number 5 divided by 2. This is times x to the 2nd power minus 1 here plus square root number 5 divided by 2. This is less than 0. Okay? Therefore, here, here this is going to be x to the 2nd power less than, look at this, less than negative, here 1 plus square root number 5 right there, like this, come and the solution set here, and the solution set to the inequality is, so solution to the inequality is, in conclusion right here, so look at this, it's going to be negative here square root all the way here minus 1 plus square root number 5 divided by 2 come square root now square root here number 5 minus 1 here minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, this is the solution, right? Solution is in conclusion here. All right, here negative square root here is very important. Negative square root of minus 1 plus square root number 5 divided by 2 can come here, come square root number 5, the square root number 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, this is one solution. Let's go, be focused, pay attention right here. See, so now let me erase and then find the second solution. So I'm gonna keep with the same, because it is the same problem. Just I'm gonna erase from here because let's see how work with the solution number 2. So now solution number 2. Everything the same, since 1 plus log 2 times x to the 4th power plus 1 equals log 2 times 2 to the x to the 4th power plus 2, and log 2y is increasing for y belong, this is y now, okay, this is y belong to this point 0 and then infinity right there. The given inequality is equivalent to x to the 12th power plus 3x to the 10th power plus 5x to the 8th power plus 3x to the 6th power plus 1 less than 2 x to the 4th power plus 2. Okay, so now this solution is a little bit different. If x, for example here, if x is equal to 0, then the inequality satisfies obviously. Okay, obviously. Suppose x is different to 0, then different to 0. Then here, let me write this. Then 2 to the divided by x to the 2nd power. It's a little bit process different from the first solution. This is the second solution, so it's going to be plus 1 x to the 6th power. This is greater than what? Than x, x to the 6th power plus 3 to the x to the 4th power plus 3 to the x to the 2nd power plus 1. Yes, plus 1 plus 2 to the x power to the 2nd power, right? Plus 2. Okay, this is equals, look at this, very, very important here. This is equals equivalent to x here, x to the 2nd power plus 1 times, no, I mean to the 3rd power plus 2 times to the x to the 2nd power plus 1, right? Or this is equivalent to, or equivalent. So equivalent to what? Equivalent to it's like to write this 1 divided by x to the 2nd power, okay? All this to the 3rd power plus 2. This is equivalent, or to write this. This is in the other way to write it our problem, okay? Or try to looking for the solution. This is graded. This right difference graded. Here is equals. It's greater. Greater than here x to the 2nd power plus 1 to the 3rd power. Here is 3rd power, right? Plus 2 to the x to the 2nd power plus 1. Okay, it's a little bit complicated. I told you need to be smart, work slowly, review all the steps that I am doing. Just go back, try to renew it step by step, and then try to get more ability to solve these kind of problems. Now, look at this. Let g to the t, okay, equals here t to the 3rd power plus 2t, right? Plus 2t, like that. Then the inequality reduce to, this inequality reduce, so reduce to g 1 divided by to the x to the 2nd power greater here than g times to x to the 2nd power plus 1. Okay, so apparently gt here, gt is increasing in real numbers, increasing r. Okay, so the inequality is equivalent to is right here, equivalent so this is equivalent to, let's write it, x 1 divided by x to the 2nd power greater than x to the 2nd power plus 1. So namely, x here, x to the 2nd power like this plus x to the 2nd power less than 1 is minus 1 is less than 0. Okay, solving this equation together with the solution x, remember I told x to the equals 0, so give us here remember the solution that we got it in the first problem is like this. -1 here, square root 5, remember, divided by 2. So this is less than here x. So x is less than 2, less than, right here, a problem here, the square root here inside minus 1 plus square root number 5, again the same numbers here. Oh no, it's plus here, plus, sorry, here, so divided by 2. Okay, remember we got it, the answer. Did you remember? Did you remember the solution on the first solution of the problem? Okay, let's go back and review your problem. So this is the second solution.